Here's how to make French fries in an air fryer.
Finally. Sucks. मैकडी के फ्राइज जैसे. 1 second, okay? I need to document this. जब से I started playing, I mean restarted. First time आज मैंने मैदान कराया है. एंड मेरे को पापा ने अप्रिशिएट करा. I'll change now.
12 seconds later.
If I be like extremely honest, I can't even walk right now. मेरी legs में बहुत पेन हो रहा है. Anyways, one thing that I've come to realize about myself is that apart from दाल मखनी, मेरी एक और go-to चीज़ है जो मेरे को realize नहीं हुई, but that is something I look for everywhere. या फिर अगर मेरे से पूछा जाए कि what do you want to have, I will always want to have fries. So instead of ordering them from outside, I feel like making them at home, even though मेरे में बिल्कुल भी energy नहीं है. I remember seeing this छोटी सी recipe of making fries on Instagram. कोई reel थी. Either I'll look for that or let me just go through YouTube.
French fries are easy, but how do you get this? You're gonna need this. You slice like this.
Okay, bro. अरे भाई. Calm down, man. Which one looks the best? I think we'll go with Hebar's Kitchen only because they are always reliable. मैंने बहुत सारी recipes try करी है from Hebar's Kitchen, you know, in COVID and stuff. So wait, let's watch first. कुछ एड्स होती है ना जो मतलब इतनी एक्चुअली लाइक दे डू देयर जॉब, वो इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग होती है कि मैं तो पूरी भी देखती हूँ इवन दो स्किप ऐड का बटन आ रहा होता है. Oh my God! Wow! I'm not saying that you should also watch all the ads that come in my video. Maybe I am. Let's just go outside and start, वरना मैं वीडियो देखती रह जाऊंगी. I'm just going to play my playlist while I collect potatoes because that is the first step. We have to get potatoes and then peel them and then chop them into fries wali shape, and then I'll talk about it later. I don't want to lose. I'll go with my desi playlist today.
सजनी रे कटे दिन रात तेरी याद पास मेरे दिल के सारे इशारों पे बस तेरा ही नाम है.
I think you've heard enough of me hearing this song. By the way, ये बहुत ही I hate this. ये peeling वाला process बहुत disgusting है because बहुत गंदी smell आ रही है potato के छिलके से. I just don't like it. Oh, and by the way, something really interesting happened to me. कब हुआ था? I think हाँ हो गए 2 दिन हो गए. So I was outside. I think in H&M or something. My first male subscriber came up to me. I was like, oh my god, I did not know I had male audience because mostly it's all girls and you know just peak supreme feminine energy on my channel. I mean across my YouTube and Instagram both, and I love that for me. But I was just shocked ki okay, wow, this is a change. The guy was so sweet and yeah, just wanted to share that because I can mostly tell अपने comments से कि okay, what is my audience demographic. The statistics are alag, but comments are a better indicator ki actively who are watching. You get it. So I should stop talking. Okay, I'll shut up.
तुम कभी न कहोगे क्यों ना हम ही
This song is basically you to me whenever 2 videos a week are expected out of me, and then अगर मैं बीच में कुछ भी डालती हूँ, all I get is screaming on me, which I deserve most times. A girl can only try. It's very hard for me to control myself when I know like a full-fledged choreography. Actually, even when I don't, sometimes I just hate myself. Oh, this is the last one. About time. Next, what we have to do is cut this up and then put it into water. पहले मैं ये फेंक के आती हूँ. If you want to be grateful for something, be grateful for not smelling this right now because it sucks. जो मैं जानती कि प्रीत करे दुख और कि मन खुद बैरी होए हर डगर ढिंडोरा पीटती कहती प्रीत न करी.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
मम्मा कॉल करना पड़ेगा, उठ के तो मैं जाऊंगी नहीं. बट यू कैन सी इतने हो गए ऑलरेडी और 2 आलू और पड़े.
आलू रखने से खराब हो जाते हैं,
बनाने पड़ेंगे.
और पानी डाल ले मीका, ये वरना काले हो जाएंगे.
श्योर. I'm gonna put this in water. Disgusting.
तुझे नेक्स्ट स्टेप है क्या तेरा?
नेक्स्ट स्टेप मेरा इसको सुखाना है एक टॉवल पे.
हाँ तो बस.
सो बेसिकली हम डीप फ्राई नहीं कर रहे हैं जो हर रेसिपी में करा हुआ है, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ऑफ यू नो डीप फ्राई इज नॉट द ideal option we should go for. I would want that, but we should not do it. So let me just look for like air fry specific koi recipe.
Download Agoda app now.
Agoda.
Here's how to make French fries in an air fryer.
Like just oil में deep fry करने की जगह we just have to sprinkle some oil or salt and everything, and then just put it into the air fryer. Final oil. Oregano, chili flakes, very little corn powder, salt, थोड़ी सी chili. I'm mixing it full on. Mix. It looks so good. 15 minutes. It'll preheat. Air fry. Start. You're doing amazing, sweetie. मैंने फर्स्ट लॉट डाल दिया है एयर फ्रायर में, वही ज़्यादा बन गया. आई थिंक ये सेकंड लॉट तो हम कल ही खा पाएंगे. जो फर्स्ट बैच के लिए यूज़ करा था उसी का लाइक ऑयल एंड एवरीथिंग सेकंड इसके लिए रीयूज हो गया. इट्स नॉट टू ब्रैग और एनीथिंग, बट आई थिंक McDonald's should be scared of me. Looking at the consistency, they are lucky. I don't make fries for a living. I took them out. This is them finally.
ट्राई किया?
नहीं. कैसे है?
नाइस. थोड़ा सा नमक हुआ है.
कम है ज़्यादा है?
एक मिनट, मैं सॉस पे रखा है. ठीक है, गुड.
मैकडी की फ्राइज जैसे है? नहीं.
Boom. Roasted.
अच्छे हैं बट
पतले थोड़े डाल.
इसके ऊपर लाइक अभी हमें इसमें सॉल्ट ऊपर से डालने की जरूरत है.
पतले रह गए ना, उनकी थोड़े से मोटे होते हैं.
बट दिस इज एयर फ्राइड ना.
इसमें आज इस पे ऊपर
डालते हैं ऊपर से
सॉल्ट ला देना, मुझे लग रहा है ज्यादा हो जाएगा. टू बी ट्रू टू माई सेल्फ, नो, दे वर नॉट McD. But if added salt after, they're close. And what else? हाँ, I thought कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे the fries, you know, but they were nothing. And our capacities are just like, I underestimated us. I forgot what all of us are capable of. So the second order is happening. ये batch genuinely better है
चल ना
with the salt.
Short love.